hospital.
Na ngayon na pagkukuhan
Kaya
ka.
masugad ka sa ng mga anak, mga asawa.
ah, to Mariam and family, to sino nasunod?
Ming.
Provincial and family, to Jocelyn and family, to Mariby and family, and sino ito yung ultimo?
Gigi.
Joji and family. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I am extending my greetings and thanks to all of you because without my children I am nothing already. Because you are the one supporting and giving me all my needs and comfort in this world now that I am sickly. Thank you very much. May the Lord give you always the blessings, the good health to all of you. God bless you always.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you.
Love, Mama.
Your loving Mama.